That's an old mail truck. I think that's some kind of old dump truck, old model something Ford dump truck. Chevrolet one. There's another one in clear Model A, Model something dump truck. There's another one. There's one more. I guess whoever's was bought out a coal mine or something kind. That's got a Ford. That's got a Farmall Cub motor to run it all. Big logger's winch. That's big. It's one of them old cable steam shovels right there. So I don't think that's actually steam. That's actually diesel. And right there's actually full steam. A power unit and everything. Pretty neat. Yeah. Big air compressor right there. Yeah. Big, some kind of old forklifts. There's 3 of them. There's a rail runner bottom. There's some old rail cars right there. There's that old logger's engine I was thinking about. That's some medical bodies from World War I and II.
That's it.
Yeah.
What's this DV down in there?
I don't know. I ain't never been there.
That's really cool, man. See, this was a mine in Canada.
Yep. There's a bunch of those. That's no military trailer. There's a bunch more of them medic bodies.